Hi there, I'm Jessica. Welcome to my travel channel.
Today I am excited to take you on a virtual walking tour of one of the most vibrant and exciting beaches in Barcelona, Bogatell Beach. As soon as you step foot on the golden sand of Bogatell Beach, you can feel the energy and buzz in the air. This beach is always packed with locals and tourists alike, all eager to soak up the sun and enjoy the lively atmosphere. I begin my walk at the southern end of the beach, near the iconic Bogatell Beach sign. As I approach the northern end of the beach, the crowds start to thin out, and I find myself in a more secluded area, perfect for those who want to relax and unwind in peace. Here, you can find plenty of cozy nooks to lay down your towel.
If you want to see the hottest video cuts of my walks, subscribe to my Patreon. Link below.
Soak up the sun, and read a book or listen to some music. One of the things I love about Bogatell Beach is the amazing food options available. From traditional Spanish paella to fresh seafood dishes and delicious cocktails, there is something for everyone. I highly recommend grabbing a bite at one of the many beachside restaurants and enjoying the stunning view while you dine. As my walk comes to an end, I reflect on what a wonderful experience it has been exploring Bogatell Beach. Whether you're looking for a fun-filled day in the sun or a peaceful escape from the hustle and bustle of the city, this beach has it all. So, if you ever find yourself in Barcelona, make sure to add Bogatell Beach to your itinerary. And don't forget to click the like button if you enjoyed this walking tour. Write a comment below sharing your favorite beach memory, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting travel videos.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Bye.